Hello everyone and welcome with the new video. Today I have a new interesting video in which less than 5 minutes you will learn how to train an effective sound recognition model. So you won't need any programming language or need to install anything to work. To work with this you need an internet connection and a browser. So I'm using Google Chrome as a browser. You just need a Teachable machine version 2. So write in the link Teachable machine with google.com. Click on it, click on audio project. So you need to add samples of your sound. So first of all need a sample of background noise for 20 seconds. Click on mic, record 20 seconds. Extract sample. In class 2 I am adding the sound of whistle, so I will change the name of the class WISTLE whistle. Now adding the audio sample of whistle for the 8 second. Record 8 second. So recorded. Now extract the sample of whistle. I will add a third class which I rename it with the clapping, and add the audio sample of clapping for the samples. So record. Extract the sample. Now I am going to train my model, so click on train model. The model is going to be trained now. So after training we can test our model. The model has been trained. Now we can test it. So also you can export the model or export the code of the model. So click on export model. You have the code download. So here is the code of JavaScript, TensorFlow, etc. You can download your code. Thank you.